Hi, Assalamualaikum to everyone and my lecturer. My name is Nurul Izan Shafina binti Syahidan Effendi. I'm from Pastry Semester 2. Today, I would like to talk about nature. What is nature? Nature is made of everything we see around us. Trees, flowers, plants, animals, sky, mountains, forests, and more. Human beings depend on nature to stay alive. Nature helps us breathe, give us food, water, medicine, and clothes. We find, we find many colors in nature which make the earth beautiful. We should take full advantage of the nature and go out of home for the morning walk daily to breathe pure air and enjoy morning beauty of nature. We must not damage these beautiful assets of nature. Nowadays, there is a lot of damage done by humans to nature. For me, we need to keep the environment clean and not pollute the environment by doing things that can cause damage to nature. Among them are illegal logging, dumping of toxic waste into the sea, and air pollution. It is our responsibility to keep the nature and protect it from any harm. If we protect nature today, then nature will certainly protect us and our future generation. That's all for me. Thank you.